Hey everyone, this is Sultan from RexTheme, and today I'll show you how you can install and activate Checkoutify for WooCommerce. Checkoutify is a unique WooCommerce checkout form customizer where you can use a drag and drop interface to edit fields, add or remove fields, design the form with colors or typography, use multi-step checkout forms, or even use attractive order bump offers to increase AOV. You'd want to customize your checkout form to reduce drop-offs, which means you would want more people to go through with their orders after they've gone to the checkout page, right? So the best practice here is to customize your checkout form so that it is less cluttered, so you can use different colors, and less distracting features on the checkout form so that it doesn't seem cluttered. You'd want to only collect information that you need to keep it focused. For example, for digital products, you don't really need address and stuff, right? So you can remove all those unnecessary fields, and you'd want to make the checkout process less confusing. So in some cases, when you need more details, you'd want to break it down into multi-step checkout. So those are the things you can do to make your checkout process more optimized for tackling drop-offs or abandoned carts, right? And that's where Checkoutify comes in. And today I'm going to show you how you can install and activate Checkoutify, right? Now you can get Checkoutify from RexTheme as an individual plugin, or you can get the value for money bundle where you get a lot of other plugins including Checkoutify. All right, that's up to you. But once you have the plugin, here's what you're going to do to activate the plugin. First, when you purchase the plugin, you are prompted to create an account in RexTheme during the checkout process. So what you need to do is you need to go to your account and log in, right? I've already logged into mine, and here you'll see the order details right over here. So on the left side, go to downloads, and in the download section, you'll have all the plugins listed that you have bought from RexTheme. All right. So if you just purchase Checkoutify, then only that one will be here. But since I have all the plugins, that's why you can see all of this. So for Checkoutify, you can see this is the one I would want. So I'll click on this one to download it. What you just need to do is download this and then go to your website. All right, so let's go to the website dashboard, and here go to plugins and click on add plugin. Right now, make sure that before you go through this installation process, you already have WooCommerce in your shop, because this is a plugin specifically designed for WooCommerce. You can customize the checkout page of WooCommerce with Checkoutify. So click on upload plugin. Now you need to upload the Checkoutify plugin. So I have it in the folder right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop it here and click on install now. And then I'm going to click on activate plugin. So that's going to activate the plugin in your WordPress site, and then you get a setup wizard right here. So you can see that you can get a video to learn about the plugin directly, or you can check out the guides. You can learn about the features. All right, and let's click on next. And here you can see that now you can activate your license over here. So you already have WooCommerce. If you didn't have it, then this is where you could have installed it on your own through the setup wizard. But the best practice is to have it ready before, because you would want to use this plugin in your existing WooCommerce store, right? So I already have WooCommerce, you can see right here. And when you install Checkoutify, this is listed under WooCommerce right here. You can see below orders, right? So now for the license, what you need to do is you need to go back to your account and go to the license key tab, okay? And here you'll see that for each of the plugins you have, you'll have a license listed over here. And you can see this is for Checkoutify. So I'm just going to copy this and go to my site and paste it here and click on activate license. And there you go. My Checkoutify is now activated, and I can click on next, and you can see you're done. So let's click on let's customize your checkout, and you can see that I'm right now in Checkoutify. So I can start creating a checkout form by clicking on add new, and proceed with customizing my WooCommerce checkout page. So that's how simple it is to install and activate the plugin. And after that, you can go ahead, customize the checkout, make your checkout optimized for reduced drop-offs. All right. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in more tutorials regarding Checkoutify. Take care.